What I'm trying to... Hi everybody, hey, it's Eric here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to fix my steering wheel. The tractor's about 50 years old, and you can see that there's a fair amount of play in the steering wheel, which isn't bad, but it's just uncomfortable, okay? If you watch down here, and you watch the bottom of the steering shaft, when I twist it, when I play the steering wheel back and forth, you can see that the shaft actually moves forward and back instead of just rotating inside the bushing. So that means that the bushing is wowed out a little bit. It's ovalized. And so I'm going to replace that bracket and that bushing down at the bottom. I went and picked one up today from Josh Devon, and so he milled me out one and attached it. I got my buddy, he's going to paint it black for me so it doesn't show up as an orange because it was off of a Jake. The bracket was off of a Jacobson tractor. So anyway, so that's what we're going to replace, me and my grandson, Jacob and Jacobson. Anyway, Jacob is going to help me replace it today. All right, I'll post a little bit more in just a minute. So now we have the new bottom bracket with the new bushing at the bottom of the shaft. I'm just going to get a hammer and tap it into spot and make sure that it engages with the rack, okay? All right, so now with the new bushing, this is how much play there is in the steering wheel. And if we look down here at the bottom, when I rotate this, you can see that the shaft rotates in the bushing but doesn't move forward and aft at all. Okay, so now Jake and I will put the there's old Jake. He's putting the screws back into it. Got that ratchet out there. He's got pretty good technique for a 12-year-old. He's getting that piece of metal back on there. So we're almost done with the job. Oh, there he goes. He put a little Jacob into it. That's enough. That's enough, Jacob. Jake's getting the rest of those. Not too hard, because those are brass. Okay? Those are brass, and they'll split them. Okay? Alright, that's it. Hold the shaft and give it a little friction so that it doesn't spin with the nut. Okay? There you go. Yeah, he's getting it. And this one here, you don't put as much Jake into it. Just a little bit of Jake. Okay. Don't worry, I can't see your face.
That's as much as I can.
So that feels good? Okay, not too much because you don't want to split those. Those are brass. Alright? Alright, thanks very much. Alright, so we got it all running. She's running good. Jake's driving the tractor around a little bit, checking out that new steering bushing that I put in there. The other one was completely cracked all the way through. So this was a good fix. Anyway, it's all set up for winter. I don't use it for mowing in the summertime. Okay? Alright, well, we'll talk to you later. Have a good day, everybody.